Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing three of the most important concepts in programming: for loops, while loops, and do while loops. Each loop helps us repeat actions automatically, but each works in a different way. I will explain how they function, when to use them, and give you situational examples that make them easier to understand. Let's begin with the for loop. A for loop is used when you already know how many times you want something to repeat. It is structured, organized, and predictable, which is why programmers use it a lot when dealing with arrays and fixed repetitions. The basic structure of a for loop has three parts: initialization, where the loop starts; condition, the rule that keeps the loop running; increment or decrement, how the loop changes each cycle. And here is an example. Let's put for loop in my folder. This might be the mali. For open close parenthesis int I equals I so mali. I1 pala. I equals 5 I plus plus. And then system out print hello. Oh, may kulang. This right. And I tama naman. Ay, hindi pala. Kulang. Eh, sorry. Oh no, it's not ano. Pause pala yun. Sorry po. And then let's run. This prints hello 5 times, starting at 1 and ending at 5 and increasing by 1 each time. And let's connect this to real life. Okay. For loop 2. I mean 1. Imagine you're the class secretary. You need to check the attendance of every student in the list. A for loop makes that easy. I know. This loop prints each student's name one by one. In summary, a for loop is best used when you know the exact number of repetitions beforehand. And next one is while loop. A while loop repeats as long as the condition is true. Think of it like doing an action while something is still happening. And here's the basic structure of while loop. While loop. While loop. Okay, first. A while loop checks the condition before running. This means if the condition is true, it runs. If the condition is false, it stops immediately. Concept example. Imagine you're charging your phone. You keep checking the battery percentage while it's not yet 100. While battery, close parenthesis, battery greater than 100, and then, oops, that's wrong. Yan. Enter. Check battery. Erase. Let's give an example for while loop, situational example. You have a list of students and want to print each name, situational ulit to. Same name. Open, close, eye, close. Eye plus plus. And then let's run. This loops automatically stops once all the names are printed. When to use a while loop? You use a while loop when you don't know how many repetitions are needed. You want the loop to depend on a real-time condition, or you want to expect the loop to stop only when something changes. While loops are useful for tasks that depend on conditions that may change unexpectedly. The while loop runs as long as the condition is true. It's perfect for situations where you don't know the exact numbers of repetitions. And let's go to the last one, do while loops. A do while loop is similar to a while loop, but with the one big difference. It always runs at least once. This is because the condition is checked after the block runs. The structure is the flow is do the action, check the condition, repeat if true. That means even if the condition is false from the beginning, the code still runs one time. Concept example do while loop. Situational again. A system always asks at least once for your username and password. Do you know, system print ln enter password. Attempt scanner. Next line. Open close. Then tapos while attempt attempt equals correct password. Now that is the while, for, and do while loop.